Hey, this is David with Bronson Ace Hardware in Eustis, Florida. Today I am reviewing the MS241C chainsaw. It's a new professional saw that's out on the market. It has the metal casing on it, so you can tell that it's professional in that way. This thing was made in America, manufactured at Stihl USA, and the part number for the saw is 113-011-3095. It's got an 18-inch bar on it with chain. It also has a 5/8 or a 3/8 50 gauge chain, 61 link. The bar number is 3005004817. This also comes in a 16-inch bar, and for the 18-inch bar is $5.99. Also, you can see that the motor size is a 43cc motor. Meets all emissions in Florida. We're in Florida, but it's also in the state of California. It has the Elasto Start handle on it. Has a decompression valve. The spring for the anti-vibration, and also another heavy-duty spring for the anti-vibration. Has the toolless caps for the oil and the fuel. What I like about this under the cover is the locking screws. You just push down and to the left and it unlocks it. Underneath the hood we've got the canister air filter. It also has the new M-tronics, as you can see right here with the wiring that connects to the carburetor. The M-tronics also regulate the RPMs if you're deep in a cut, and supplies more fuel. And also it serves as almost like a computer chip, and it'll tell you how many times you started this thing and how it's run and this and that. Spark plug is a NGK. It's a smaller spark plug. It's a CMR 6H spark plug, which is normally what you'll see in the 4-stroke. I was surprised actually to see it on this one. Very, very good looking saw. Your chain brake, heavy duty chain brake handle on it. Your chain cover, the bar nut is attached to the sprocket cover, which I like, so you don't lose your bar nut. It's got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tooth sprocket, 3/8 pico sprocket on it, and it also has the side tensioner, and it also has an oiler underneath it. As you can see right here, you can adjust the oil on it, which is good. I like that. It also has the spikes on it. Very good professional saw. It's a new one out, lightweight, 10.4 pounds, and it's new here at Bronson Ace. And come on, take a look, and let's pick up the saw.